this is our question, right? So
Yeah.
the question here says, in figure 1 below, the primary of a transformer is connected to a battery and a switch, while the secondary is connected to a center zero galvanometer. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So we're
So
told,
what is a galvanometer?
okay, good question. That's a very good question. All right, because
Yes,
I was just
sir.
going to say that, we are given the names of some instruments. Right. First of all, we're given the name of a transformer, a
Mm-hmm.
battery, a switch, right? And the galvanometer, right? Which is the one that you asked about.
So this right. That is circular parts.
Yeah, right. This is the galvanometer. All right. So
Right. I
let
guess
me just
that.
show you. Let me show you the instruments. So the transformer, the primary. First of all, the transformer is this unit right here. This complete thing is the transformer, excluding this and this and this. Right?
Oh,
You follow? So let me actually do a sketch of it.
so which one is the transformer?
Okay. So this here, I'm gonna sketch it out for you.
Yes, sir.
So this, right? This would
Yeah.
be the transformer. So this would be your, I'm gonna put
Trans-
a symbol here, right? So
That is
this
the
is
switch.
your, huh?
That will be the switch, sir.
No, 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 it's not gonna be the switch. I'm gonna explain to you what it is shortly.
Okay.
Let me get this a little better. Right, I'm gonna use this. So we have, okay. So this green figure is our transformer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, here is what we refer to as our AC input, right? And here would be our AC output, right?
Oh, okay.
So if this is our AC input, it means that this, all of this, is what we refer to as our primary primary coil, or winding, right? Is
Yeah.
this making sense to you?
Yeah. Primary call abwinding.
Right. Okay, so if this is our primary coil, what do you think we're going to call this
Secondary.
coil? Right, the secondary coil. Very good. Right, so I'm going to shorten it secondary coil or winding. So with the transformer, right?
So when
By the way,
it is winded,
huh?
it is winded.
Yes, winding,
Mm-hmm.
winding, right? Because it consists of coils that are wound around a laminated iron core,
Okay.
right? So first of all, do you know what is a transformer?
No,
Okay,
it's
so
not something that is like is part of a like a part in a vehicle.
yes, they are present in vehicles. They are also present in devices such as a
So your
radio.
phone have a transformer.
Huh?
Your phone will have a transformer.
No, not the foam itself, but the charger. The charger as
Oh,
a
will have the
transformer,
transformer.
right? The
Okay.
charger itself as a transformer. So the function of a transformer, right, is to step up and step down voltages, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm gonna give you a note on that shortly.
Yeah.
All right. So a transformer, I'm gonna write it here. So a transformer is a device that steps up, right? And by step up, what you mean is increase or step down, decrease voltage, right? So
Yeah.
a transformer, right? It is a device that can either step up or step down voltage, right? And this is our diagram of a transformer. This
Great.
here is our diagram of a transformer.
So the whole thing in the question is a transformer.
Right, this is a transformer, right? But first, to actually answer the question, we need to know how a transformer works, right? So I'm going to add a continuation, right? Here.
Mm. Yeah.
So follow me. Have you drawn down this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So right from the down here, right? A transformer operates only with an AC. Do you know what I mean by AC?
Um, not really. Correct.
Okay.
Something.
So right, it's a type of current, right? AC is short for alternating,
Current or
right?
volt.
Alternating current, right?
Okay.
Right? So a transformer, it only works on AC, right?
Yeah.
And with an AC voltage signal. So this was Junior Roberts with realjuniorroberts.com. If there was anything in this video that you wish to get further clarification on, please post them below in comments and I'll do my best to clear up any misconceptions for you. If you need further assistance to understand certain key topics in physics, then sign up for my live interactive CSEC physics classes. Full details will be posted below in the description. Like this video if it was helpful, and thank you for watching.